What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, with another day, another video. But this video is a great video because it has to do with my car. It's something that's unique. It's my baby. It's not as crazy as most of them, man. Some guys got a lot of crazy raps out there and so on. I believe in kids. Keep it simple. That's what I did on my cat. You know, it's right here chilling. As you can see, man, I got her inside the bed right now. It's been a little slow day with the coronavirus. I got the green going on right now on my halo rings, man. You guys seen the wheels and tires, but we've done a couple details that y'all have not gotten to see. I'm just gonna walk you through so you can see, guys. So inside, I added the little HELLCAT button to make my car start. Just to remind me exactly what I'm driving, man. Of course, I love her, you know, it's my baby. But we're doing something impressive, man. We actually removed this bumper and I did not get the whole vlog for y'all. I really owe y'all an apology for that. But this is the back of the lower of the car. Has what they call like a little diffuser in the back. It's a stock one from factory. In fact, Drew, show us what the stock one looks like. So Drew's over here bringing right now the original one back here to the car so y'all can see exactly what it was like before. That's the original diffuser that comes from Dodge. It's the Mopar Dodge original. The holes that you see here right now are the original holes that hold the parking sensors, y'all, but that's what gives it. I wanted to do something different, man, and we got sponsored by a company. Their name is Icon Motorsports. They sent me one out here for this car. They wanted me to go ahead and install this. I just went ahead and I did it, y'all. I went and got the thing going today, man. Got it here installed, and we are actually installing it right now. We speak onto the AUDIOZONE. We actually had to drill the holes. I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on if we get this situated. We had to drill the holes for the sensor because they do not come with the holes. In fact, I'm gonna show it. All right, because we got this going on situated. Let me show y'all the old one. So he's got the holes, like I showed you, already made on this bad boy. Now we're installing some custom lights. So if you know that these cars actually in this area here, this department has a reflector to it that actually goes OEM. We're actually installing some lights, guys. So this is actually gonna light up with the parking lights and light up with the brake lights. It just gives it a little different touch, but everything there is coming together. As you can see on the car, she is apart. I've actually already ran this harness here to this side. And my pigtails over here. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, get that situated and be able to get that. So I'm actually wrapping the wires up to keep them all nice and neat. Now if you look at this is not regular tape. I want you to get closer to it. This is actually a tape, like a material tape. So what it does, it allows you to be like a factory wire. When you see a factory wire in a car, it's not wrapped in black tape, it's wrapped in a material tape. That's what this is doing. It's gonna protect it against the nature of water and heat and everything else that could cause damages to a wire. So I'm actually wrapping it up right now to get it ran over here, so I can actually run it to my other side and get that situated. It should be look like it's just an OEM harness. So when they look at this from factory, it could be just like it's a factory harness, but it's actually done here at the store. I'm actually getting this right now. I'm opening my little pigtail here with Bordeaux. I'm gonna open this up, get it, fish it through, get it back to the original hole where I want it to be at. Now I got my pigtail here, y'all, okay? Now, I'm actually gonna get that same thing and run it through here. Gonna fish it in the bumper, in the metal side here, all the way to the front. Gonna fish it through. And I should be able to get this wire down here. So I'll push the bumper out to give him some space, and you can wedge it in between. Almost there. Keep it down. Almost there. A little more down. You had it right there. Bring it down. Bring it down. Okay, boom. Now we got my pigtail here. I'm gonna open this up right here and go up with it. Yep. Now this is here. My pigtails up here. Now I got what I need here. I'm gonna get that. One more thing that I did not get to show you that I did, man, in this car was I've actually added the rear spoiler from Spoiler King. So this is provided by Spoiler King. It comes on the vehicle. Just kind of gives it a little look. So little mods like that, man, just little touches, little details that I've done to the car. There's a couple more to come. I definitely want to change the rear wing to a red eye wing. I like it. It's a little more like a ducktail. I like that a lot. But this is my car. This is my toy, man. And when it's slow in the shop and we have some time, this is kind of what I want to do. Kind of get my car up to date, because y'all going off the control, man. You look at cars out there, man. You guys are really going off the chain. I'm not as deep as you guys. I keep it simple. I keep it clean. I like the way it looks, man. It's got a good look to it. It's my baby, my toy. The next thing's coming up, and one of these days y'all gonna see. Y'all saw I unveiled all the parts I have for my performance. So I am ready to go to 900 horsepower on E85. It's just a matter of having the time that I can dedicate to it. I want to do it on my own. Bring you guys a video of how to install the injectors, how to take off the supercharger, how to open up the pulleys in the supercharger, how to pin the bottom one on the ATI, how to install the computer, how to do the injectors, how to do the fuel pumps. All these things coming in the video pretty soon, y'all. But right now, I'm just trying to get her together. We'll continue. Y'all, so look where we at right now. Drew's about to get this installed. You can see, got the sensors back on. We got the lights installed. They got all that situated. Now he's gonna start installing this bad boy into the car. We removed the tail lights in the back to be able to find our wires that we see here. But I'm about to start getting this installed there, and we'll see how it comes out at the end. All right, guys, because this is what's going on. Now that we got everything test fitted and so on, what we're doing now, we're grinding down the plastic area where these sensors have to be down. If you look at them from factory, they come with the heat. You see how they're heat welded? With some spikes into it. So now we have to actually duplicate the same process that did at the dealership. So we're gonna grind everything down there, grind this down here, and go ahead and heat weld these back with plastic to the bumper so it's like an OEM fit. That we don't have to worry about them popping off or getting loose or having any kind of issues. They will fit just like they were in factory. We're in the process now of cleaning these down to get them installed there with the heat weld. So what we're gonna do right now, we actually got the original sensor like I showed y'all. We already scraped it down here, we scraped it down here. I'm gonna place it into the area in which it's gonna go, and I'm gonna start by side. So I'm coming here, making sure that the sensor's parallel. With my torch, I'm gonna come and blow into certain areas here and do like weld tacks in plastic, right? So plastic to plastic gets warm and it becomes a unit. So right now I'm actually I got one side done. I'm gonna come to the other side. Getting them in there, and getting it in here, getting it in there. So what this is going to allow it to do is heat melt plastic to plastic and allow it to melt into the factory location like it was before we touched anything in the car. Once I do that, then my sensor should be pretty stable. Plastic melts into plastic, right? And once it becomes plastic, then it becomes a hard plastic again. So I'm actually doing the plastic. Y'all see that like I said plastic there? Boom, boom, boom. That should be able to hold here. Now this one is also on there again. So the same process I did to this and this with the heat plastic, now we have a strong fit and it's ready to go. What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE man, and I am in a store right now. My wife told me to leave the job. Y'all saw what we were doing on the cars there, and she decided to give me something for Father's Day. My brother-in-law's here with me, man. We're gonna go to the wifey room. Let's go see what she bought me, because my baby's right.
Keeping it safe.
She's keeping it safe. She's coronavirus proof right now. But y'all, you guys ready for what she bought me? Because baby, tell everybody what you're buying me.
I'm buying you a brand new TV, 85
inches.
I think it's Samsung. It's the new edition that just came out this year.
So it's not even this one. It's the newest one from this bad boy here. But this is one of the ones they got there, but it's actually the newest one for 2020.
You know, I'm taking care of my husband.
So why'd you buy this for me? Because obviously I gotta be a great guy for you to be doing
honestly, because you deserve it. Sometimes I want to kill you and choke you, you know, but you deserve it. At the end of the day, you deserve it.
The real reason why is so that Saturdays he don't go to the racetrack. He can stay home and watch that TV.
Well, guess what, guys? I'll tell you something right now. News is that it's not gonna stop me from going to the racetrack. It's not. Because I love my TV, but I love you more than my car. And I love you more than anything, honestly. But I do love my races, so I'm not gonna stop racing, sweetheart. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's not gonna stop me, but it could help me stay home a little bit more.
It's gonna help you.
In fact, what I could do now is that I'm at home, I can edit my videos bigger. Is what I could do right now. Get a bigger screen to do my editing a lot bigger, and I just feel ecstatic, man. But if y'all see that TV behind me, man, I can tell you truthfully, I'm blessed. Maybe like 4 years ago, she bought me a jet ski. So in reality, man, I'm not flying on my wife, but she's been the best thing I ever bought on eBay, y'all. I mean, really the best thing. The best thing I ever bought on eBay with my wife, because man, she really, but I take care of her too. Y'all know that, man. But you know, I'm really proud. She told me, baby, leave the store. Y'all know what we were doing. I didn't even get to finish it, man. I got glue in my hands. Look at this, y'all. Glue in my hands. I left the store, flew over here, and she wanted to surprise me. And truthfully, I can't even tell you, I'm blessed, babe. Thank you. Let me give you a kiss, because you deserve that at least today. But you gotta get off that mask. I want the real lip. Anyway, y'all, man, to be continued, man. I'm just a little out of words. I'm really touched, man. God has been good. I tell you right now, if you follow God, you stay positive, man. You move, you work hard, you do what you got to do, man. God will open up doors to bless you. It's a blessing to have the family that I have, to have the support that I have, man. I work very hard, and y'all know that. But to have the support that I have from my wife and my family is priceless, y'all. I'm actually what they call, I'm out of words, Eli. You know, like I'm all dry right now, y'all, but I'm out of words, because in reality, that's a blessing to have her, man. She's been great to me. You know, she's not the easiest cookie to deal with, man. She's really not, but in reality, the best thing is that she's been a great wife to me. So I'm gonna keep on fighting for what we gotta fight for, and we'll continue.